Okay, everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. Matthew of Encore Automotive. You own a Kia and you got, we're going to show you how to resolve that. Stay tuned. Okay, there are going to be a series of Phillips head screws that you're going to need to remove. You're going to need to remove this cover here. This is going to come down. You got some pressure clips that are going to be held in place. And you're going to need to remove the traction control sensor and the dimmer switch plug-ins, and that's all that's here, and the OBD2 connector as well. And then once that's removed, we're going to remove this cover here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Then we're going to drop the steering column and get to the power control mounted motor at the steering column. Okay, with better viewing now of the diagnostic trouble code connector, hit the switch, hit the 2 tabs on the left and the right, and it comes right on out. I had to take a look at it, but it comes right on out. And set the knee bolster or kick panel or whatever you want to call it, set it to the side. In this case, we're going to set it right up in the dashboard. We're going to remove this panel here. Then we're going to remove the steering column cover, and we're going to get to business. Once these 14mm bolts are removed, this is just going to drop down. I have a setting tab over here. There you go. Okay, I do caution anybody that do go in this area of the vehicle to have some type of guide to reference to or have some experience, because you're going to run into things like these tabs right here that are not going to be on normal connectors that you're going to have to activate first before you unplug them. So, got this out. I'm reaching there with my fingers. All right, but the reason why the cover of the steering column comes down, because that wiring harness there goes up into the dashboard, and you're not going to have much travel of the steering column once you remove the fasteners holding the steering column, which are here, there, and on the opposite side there, and up here, up there. Okay, so we're going to disconnect all these wiring harness, going to the different switches, going to the clock spring. We're going to let this dangle down once we got them unplugged. Okay, all right, let me set this camera down. All right, let me get a closer up look at what we're getting at here. One after this control motor right here. Once we get this down, we're going to be able to replace this grommet or bushing on the inside of the motor. So give me 1 second to get all this stuff out the way. Get this down. There you go. All right, guys, we found the blues too on the column mounted driver motor for the power steering assist. Now, we got the Torx bolts out. It was 3 T30s. The one in the back was a little difficult. It was no mother of mine, because it was a, so now you want to pull this thing straight out, and you should see a whole lot of, okay, with the motor removed, you can see the remnants of the old coupler all chewed up. So we're going to get this out of here and install the new coupler. Once you get all the remnants removed, clean this section out real well and install the new coupler. Okay, and the new coupler fits in place just like this. Keep this metal from making contact. It just sits down in there just like that. Alright, and you put it back together and the noise should be gone. Alright, let's get this thing buttoned back up. Okay guys, hopefully I got you through this repair with ease. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below the video and we'll respond soon. If you have any email questions, email to matthew@eautodr.com and I get back to you immediately. Like and subscribe. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give away a car. Hopefully you are subscribed already and hit the bell. Also, make sure your subscriptions are public so you will be counted in the drawing. We are just over 200 subscriptions left. Please subscribe and be added in the drawing. We're going to give away a car. And the noise, you guys, is gone. A customer celebrating, customers out still.
Oh my God,
Thank you for choosing Encore Automotive.
What
What'd you say?
I suggest you to anybody, like, use that guy.
Y'all take care. Have a good one. Old coupler, new coupler. Thanks for watching Encore Automotive, Diagnostics and Repair.